Hello! Are you following stocks as an investor or trader or just out of interest? My name is Jimmy Lepping. I'm a psychologist and statistician with an interest in a wide variety of research topics, including the financial markets and statistical models to make sense of financial markets. And in this video, I discuss trends for a sample of European large, mid and small cap stocks for the past 12 versus the past 3 months. More precisely, this chart expresses the percentage of gain in these two time periods, including dividends, for stocks that are part of 3 Amsterdam stock indices: large cap AEX, mid cap AMX, and small cap ASCX. The horizontal axis positions these in total 75 stocks in terms of their percentage gain over the past 12 months, with negative numbers indicating a loss, and the vertical axis positions these 75 stocks in terms of their percentage gain over the past 3 months, again with negative numbers indicating a loss. Among others, this comparison helps to see which stocks are down on the year but have had some recovery over the past 3 months, and simultaneously which stocks are up on the year but have had some correction in the past 3 months. So in this chart you see more yellow dots or small cap stocks down left, which indicates the territory of losses both on a 12 and on a 3-month basis, whereas we see more blue dots or large cap stocks in the upper right or area of positive gains in both time periods. When we add the box plots and histograms for these indices, at least for the 12-month period, each of the indices, by the way, hosts 25 companies, we see that indeed performance has in general terms been somewhat better for the large caps than for the small caps, and even for mid caps we have seen more losses than gains. Now, when we add the box plots and histograms for the past 3 months, we see the same order in terms of performance being generally better among large caps, followed by mid caps, and finally the small caps where we see most losses. But now we see that the tendency for mid caps has turned positive. And when we add some basic descriptives, we see a numerical confirmation of that pattern, basically indicating that for large caps we have seen a tendency towards positive performance in both time windows. For small caps we have seen a tendency towards negative performance in both time windows, yet among mid caps we have started to see some recovery. Of course, as the charts indicate, there are considerable differences within each index as well, but it is safe to say that among small caps we continue to see more losses than gains, and hence no real recovery just yet. Maybe this is in part due to interest rates having risen throughout 2023, which is generally something that appears to affect small caps more than it affects large caps. At least that is a widely accepted theory. But in any case, an observation is that we have not yet seen a recovery in small caps. Okay, that's it for this video. I hope you find this useful, and if you have any ideas or suggestions for future videos, you can leave a comment below this video or just drop an email using the email address that I've shared in the description below this video. Thank you for listening, have a good day, and see you soon.